Okay, hi everyone. My name is Riju Nandi, and basically I am from Bankura, West Bengal, and I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology from University Institute of Technology, Bardhaman University. And then I search a job and I know about Evision and I join Evision. And thank you so much, Evision, and I am truly grateful for your help. And now I got placed in HealthIndia Pvt Ltd, which is located in Shivajinagar, Bangalore. And thank you all the member of Evision, and special thanks to Priya ma'am and Ruksar ma'am and also Sati ma'am and all the Evision member. And thank you for support me and every time. Okay, thank you.